Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by evaluating the damage and gaining access so you can work effectively. You'll remove fasteners and inner liners to reach the backside of the panel. This prevents tearing paint when you push. Once the area is exposed, mark the dent perimeter and estimate metal stretch. You should gather a hammer and dolly, a stud welder or slide hammer if needed, and a heat gun to relax paint. Make sure to wear eye and hand protection, because small metal shards and sharp edges can cut you. You now manipulate the metal to restore shape while preserving paint. You push with a dolly behind the panel and strike gently from the outside, working from the dent edges inward so you avoid overcrowning. When metal is stretched, attach studs or a pull tab and pull gradually. Heat the area to about 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit to ease the pull and reduce cracking. Once roughly straight, check for high spots with a straight edge. Then file and feather edges before light filler and progressive sanding. You finish by smoothing and prepping for paint so the repair is invisible and durable. Apply a thin 1/16" skim of filler only where needed, sand to a smooth blend, then clean with solvent. Use epoxy primer for adhesion, block sand primer flat, and then apply base and clear coats in controlled temperature between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. If metal springs back, heat locally and repeat measured push or pull. If ripples appear, use a small torch to shrink high spots while backing with a dolly to flatten them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.